Hi everyone, and welcome back to Inside Pet Health. Your beloved pet could be suffering right now, and you might not even know it. Unlike humans, our furry friends can't tell us when something hurts. In fact, they're masters at hiding pain. It's a survival instinct that dates back to their wild ancestors. Today, I'm going to reveal the 7 subtle signs that your pet might be in pain, signs that even the most loving pet owners often miss. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for, and, more importantly, when to take action. Let's dive in. Sign 1. Changes in behavior and personality. The first sign is often the most overlooked, subtle changes in your pet's personality. A normally social dog might start hiding under the bed. A playful cat might become aggressive when touched. These aren't just bad days, they're your pet's way of communicating discomfort. Watch for increased irritability or snapping, withdrawal from family activities, reluctance to be petted or handled, changes in sleep patterns, sleeping more or restless nights. Remember, animals in the wild who show weakness become targets for predators. Your pet's instinct is to appear normal even when they're not feeling well. Sign 2. Subtle movement changes. The second sign involves how your pet moves. You might notice your dog taking longer to get up from lying down, or your cat hesitating before jumping onto their favorite perch. These aren't signs of getting older, they're signs of discomfort. Look for stiffness when getting up or lying down, reluctance to use stairs or jump, a slight limp or favoring one leg, changes in posture, hunched back or lowered head, walking more slowly or with less enthusiasm. Pain often starts small, so these changes might be barely noticeable at first. Sign 3. Changes in eating and drinking. Sign number 3 involves your pet's relationship with food and water. A pet in pain might eat less, eat more slowly, or show interest in food but then walk away. This is especially common with dental pain. Warning signs include approaching the food bowl but not eating, eating on one side of the mouth, dropping food while eating, increased or decreased water consumption, weight loss or gain without diet changes. Never assume a pet is just being picky. Sudden changes in appetite often indicate underlying pain. Sign 4. Altered grooming habits. The fourth sign is particularly obvious in cats but applies to dogs too: changes in grooming behavior. Cats are meticulous groomers, so when they stop caring for themselves properly, it's a red flag. Watch for matted or unkempt fur, over-grooming specific areas, indicating localized pain, neglecting to groom altogether, strong odor due to poor hygiene. In dogs, reluctance to be brushed or touched in certain areas. Pain makes normal activities like reaching to groom difficult, so pets often just stop trying. Sign 5. Respiratory changes. Sign number 5 involves breathing patterns. Pets in pain often breathe differently, either faster, shallower, or with more effort. This is your pet's body responding to stress and discomfort. Listen and watch for rapid or shallow breathing when at rest, panting when it's not hot or after exercise, labored breathing or unusual sounds, restlessness due to difficulty getting comfortable. Heavy panting in cats is especially concerning, as cats rarely pant unless something is seriously wrong. Sign 6. Vocalization changes. The sixth sign is changes in how your pet talks to you. Some pets become more vocal when in pain, while others become unusually quiet. Both extremes can indicate discomfort. Pay attention to increased whimpering, whining, or meowing, unusual sounds when moving or being touched, complete silence from normally vocal pets, crying out during normal activities like stretching or yawning. Purring in cats sometimes indicates pain, not contentment. Your pet's voice is one of their primary ways to communicate distress. Sign 7. Elimination issues. The final sign involves bathroom habits. Pain can make normal elimination difficult or uncomfortable, leading to accidents or changes in routine. Warning signs include accidents in the house from house-trained pets, straining to urinate or defecate, Changes in litter box usage in cats. Avoiding stairs to reach usual bathroom spots. Taking longer than usual to eliminate. Arthritis, hip pain, or abdominal discomfort can all make normal bathroom routines challenging for your pet. Now that you know the signs, here's what to do. First, start keeping a pain diary. Note when you observe these behaviors, their frequency, and any triggers. This information is invaluable to your veterinarian. Second, don't wait for multiple signs to appear. Even one consistent sign warrants a vet visit. Early intervention leads to better outcomes and less suffering for your pet. Third, never give human pain medication to pets. It can be toxic or even fatal. Always consult your veterinarian for proper pain management options. Finally, remember that senior pets aren't just getting old. Age itself isn't a disease, and older pets deserve pain management just as much as younger ones. Your pet depends on you to be their voice when they can't speak for themselves. By recognizing these 7 signs, you're already being the advocate your pet needs. If this video helped you understand your pet better, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other pet owners. Your share could help another pet get the pain relief they need. What signs have you noticed in your own pets? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might help other viewers recognize similar signs in their furry friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more pet health content. Until next time, keep watching out for your 4-legged family members. They're counting on you.